In this video, we'll walk through how to use the new Universal Reports Properties panel and when to use it. This feature is available starting in version 2.1.7 for version 11 and version 3.1.4 for version 12 installations. Universal Reports include parameters that let you control how the report behaves. Before this release, users had to adjust these parameters manually in the Hidden Format area. Users no longer need to open the Format area to change report parameters. There are now 3 ways to access the panel. Let's take a look. When a Universal Report is active, you'll now see a new option in the Planning Analytics menu. You can also access the panel from the Task pane. Just locate your Universal Report under the Workbook tab, then right-click it to open the menu. A third way to open the Properties panel is by right-clicking anywhere within the active Universal Report. The users can select the Properties editor from the Planning Analytics menu. The Parameters panel lets you adjust the default settings of a Universal Report, including options like the default report connection shown in the first panel. The Flags panel allows users to toggle key report functions on and off. Features such as auto write-back and preserve user formulas can be enabled or disabled here. Dynamic Universal Reports include an additional panel, which is used to set the number of spaces displayed between a parent and child during expansion. The Properties panel also helps keep your Universal Reports up to date. When opened, it automatically checks whether the report supports all current flags. If anything is missing, it will prompt you to add the latest parameters. This ensures older Universal Reports remain current. As you've seen, this new panel makes managing report parameters faster, easier, and far less error-prone. It also plays a key role in keeping your Universal Reports up to date as new capabilities continue to roll out. When the report is upgraded, the spreadsheet itself won't change. Instead, the new parameters are simply added to a named range.